Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw BNB from Bitmart to Kraken in 2025. With crypto exchanges evolving quickly, this guide will walk you through the latest steps to make sure you're doing it safely and efficiently. Whether you're moving funds for trading or just securing your assets, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bitmart account. Head over to the website or app and enter your credentials. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a must in 2025 with all the new regulations. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Funds section. Look for your BNB balance and click on the Withdrawal option. You'll need to select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, this is crucial. Copy your Kraken wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees. Bitmart might use the BEP2 or BEP20 network for BNB, so confirm that it matches what Kraken supports to prevent issues. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify via email or 2FA. After submission, keep an eye on your transaction status on Bitmart's dashboard. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, log into your Kraken account and check your wallet. Your BNB should be there. A few quick tips. Always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. Watch out for gas fees, which can add up in 2025, and never share your private keys. If you run into any hiccups, both exchanges have solid support teams. There you have it. That's how to withdraw BNB from Bitmart to Kraken in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.